Hello everyone, I am Rahul Kumar Sahu. This video is the final assignment of our project, that is the design and analysis of tall building structure for the online courses of Skyfi Labs. Here in this video, we are about to see the different process that involves in design analysis of the given tall building structure with the help of ITER 2018 software. Here in this given problem, we can see a 40-story tall building structure having different plans for their respective stories. Here an uniform dead load of 2 kN per meter square is applied on all the stories, where the varying live loads that are 5 kN per meter square is applied on the story 1 to 10, whereas 4.5 kN per meter square for the story 11 to 20, 4 kN per meter square for the story 21 to 30, and 3.5 kN per meter square for the story 31 to 40. The material which we will be using for this structures are M40 grade of concrete with the longitudinal reinforcement bar as HYST 550 and mild 250 as tie bar or stirrups. The different cross sections that we will be taking for the structures are 550 by 550, 650 by 650, and 750 by 750 respectively for the column section, whereas 500 by 350, 550 by 400, and 600 by 450 respectively for the beam section. For the slab section, we are considering as 150 mm thick, having M40 grade of concrete. For the outer wall surface, we are using auto draw cladding property, and the cladding load will be 0.2 kN per meter. So before proceeding to the software, let's understand the different process that we are going to deal with. The first process that involves is defining the materials in the software with the help of define menu. Using this menu, we can able to define the different materials that are M40 grade of concrete, HYST 550 and mild 250 reverse, along with the different cross section that we are going to use for beam, columns and slab property. Also, we need to assign the geometric design by using grid lines and the number of story and their respective height of the structure. The next process is draw property. Using this property, we can able to draw the different sections that are beams, slabs and column. Along with, we can also draw cladding by using auto cladding option. After drawing the entire structure, we can assign the load using assign menu. Here we can able to assign the different loads that are dead load, live load, cladding load and the wind load. For assigning wind load, we need to follow the guideline of IS code, that is IS 875 1987. After assigning the load, we need to analyze the structure using analyze menu. With the help of this, the software start analysis of the structure and subsequently perform the following results, that are the deformation of each section followed by shear force and bending moment diagram. After this, we need to check the structure is safe or not by using design menu to perform the design check of structure, and after successful check, we can able to generate the project report and their summary. So let's start performing the analysis and design check of the given problem on the software. So as you can see, I have already performed the define and drawing part of the structure. Here as you can see, I have already uh, taken 8 number of grid lines in both the directions having 4 meter spacing each. To see the different material that I have defined, just go to define menu, click on material properties. You can see the three material I have taken, that is M40, HOST 550 and mild 250. Just press OK and again go to define, go to section property, go to frame section. Here we can see the different material, the different section of beam and columns that I have taken, that is 500 by 350, 550 by 400, 600 by 450 and 550 by 550, 650 by 650 and 750 by 750. Here we have taken the auto select property for the software to select a suitable member. Okay, I have already applied the load. To check the load, just go to display, go to load assign, go to cell loads. Here choose the load pattern, dead, live or wind. Press live and just press apply. It will take some time. As we can see, the live load, the dead loads are remain shown over here as 2 kN per meter square. For live load, we can select live from load pattern, press apply. Here as you can see the live load. For wind load as well, just go to wind, press apply. And here you can see the live load, the wind load as per the IS codes. Press OK to exit. After this, we can analyze the structure. For this, just go to Analyze menu, click on 3D, click on Run Analysis, and the software will start the analyzing of this structure. It will take several minutes, so we can wait for it. Here we can see the software has already analyzed the structure and showing us the displacement of the members. To check out, just zoom it. To know the displacement value, we can select any member and just right click on it. It will show us the desired displacement. After this, we can go for the shear force and bending moment diagram. For this, we need to go to display force stress diagram, go to frame pier spindle link. Here you can select shear force and bending moment as well. Click on shear 2 and press apply for shear force. Here you can see the shear force diagram. Also you can access any member to know the various values and right click on it to get the shear force diagram as well as the different values. For moment, just click on moment 3, click on apply. Here you can able to see the different bending moment values. Just put the cursor on and it will show us the different bending moment value. Also, you can select any member to know the different values and the diagram as well. Press OK to exit. Also, you can check the cell displacement and their moment. After that, we can go for the check of this structure, the design check. For the design check, go to design. Here, go to concrete frame and view reverse reference for the IS code. Here you have to set the IS code as IS456 2000. Press OK to exit. Again, follow the same step. Go to design, concrete frame design. Now go to start design and check. It will start the checking of this structure, so it will take some time. So here the software has already checked the structure to just right click on any member. It will show the different values. Here I have selected a beam section of 500 350 on the story 26. Here it will show the station location and the top steel as well as bottom steel and the shear steel as well. For more details, just click on details, and here it will give us the detailed values of this respective section. You can see the difference, and we can do this for each and every members to know the design values. And after this we will go for the all member checked option. Here the software will verify that all the members passed the applied load and hence they are safe. So just go to design menu, then concrete frame design, then verify all member passed. Here it will display all concrete member passed the design check. Press OK. So after this we can able to generate the report. Just go to the left corner of this model explorer, click on report. Here you can see project report and summary report. Just double click on it. It will start generating the project report of this given structure. So here the project report is already generated. Just scroll down it. You can able to see the structure data, properties, assignment, loads, and the analysis result in this generated project report.
And finally, I would like to thank Skyfi Labs for their great content and for the affordable courses. It's really helpful for the students. Thank you.